guys, it's me again, Josie of Baby Gum's Travel Vlog. So today, my video for today is all about unboxing and reviews of our order from Lazada. And anyway, so my Bebo ordered a dehumidifier from Lazada, 3 dehumidifier. He is back home right now in the US, but he still can order it in Lazada. Anyway, if you didn't know, if you were in the US, you still can order from Lazada and deliver it to your home. So that's what my Bebo kept doing. He kept ordering, and so I'm gonna show you the first one he ordered. This one. I already opened it yesterday and used it overnight. This is the box. The brand is Yangtze. And this is the dehumidifier. This is the first one he ordered. This one, we're gonna put it here in our bedroom, the main bedroom. So this one comes with remote control, and it has an instruction. Other one is written in Chinese, so you can't read anything about that. But they have another one written in English. So dehumidifier is different from humidifier. Humidifier, it adds moisture to the air when it's too dry. And this one, the dehumidifier, it takes away the moisture to the air when it's too humid. So, and we really need that here in the house because most of the time it's too humid here. Okay, so this one, it has an LED here. It tells you the humidity and the temperature inside the room. And also at the back, this is the water tank. Oh, the water dispenser. It's little, so I don't know how many water it will get. You can see there's a little bit water now because I already used it last night. Yeah, and I'm gonna show you later. I'm gonna turn it on. And as I said, it comes with a remote control. There's no lights. So it has a sleep mode, and then you can set the timer. And then the other one, I'm gonna read. So the circle. So this one, it says, this one says purification mode, and then this one, that's like the snow. That's a defrost mode, and then this is the one you can control how many humidity you want inside your room. Oh, it already comes with a battery. So if the water dispenser is full, it is automatically turns off by itself. So it's safe. You don't need to worry if it's full or not. And then the second one we bought is, the box is this one. I already opened it already to check it. So this is, and it's little, it's full. He bought 2 like this, and we're gonna put it in the 2 other rooms. And the brand is also Yangtze. And this is how it looks like. It's just little. It's black and orange. It's kind of Halloween color. So it don't have an LED light. You just gotta turn it on, and that's it. That we're gonna start. So this is the water dispenser. You're just gonna pull it like this when it's full, and then dump the water. I think this is around 2 cups. So this is the water we're gonna go, and yeah, there's a hole, and then you're just gonna remove this thing, the block, and then dump the water. Yeah, see how little it is, but this will gonna work. So he bought this. It's around 1,000 plus. I'm gonna post a picture later. And he bought this around 2,000 pesos. We really need a dehumidifier here inside the house because last 2 years ago, when the rainy season was really bad and we had carpets in the room, all rooms has carpet, and we had leak to the wall. gets humid inside the house, and some of his clothes started to get mold. So the humidifier really helps. We already have a dehumidifier downstairs, the big one. We bought that for 15,000 2 years ago, and it really works. We dump water the whole day, twice or thrice. It depends the humidity. So you can control the humidity. We like the humidity around 50, and that's it.
So I'm just gonna open the second bag so you will see. Yeah. Let's open this. Cheers. I mean, it's really good how they wrapped it. Too much bubble wrap. It's still orange. It has a bubble. Again. Look at that. It comes with the manual instructions, see? But it's all written in Chinese. But it's easily to use though. And so yeah, it comes with a hose. And oh gosh. See? Same color. Orange. Halloween color. Okay, so that's it guys. All the dehumidifier that we bought, it's really worth it. It really helps lessen the humidity inside the house. Even it's little or big. I mean, for little ones, it's just good for small rooms. The big ones, it's good to the whole house.
So now I'm gonna show you. You need to turn on the switch is at the back. It's this one. Turn that on first, and that's it. See, it has an indicator. So right now, it's 30 degrees Celsius, and then the humidity is 54. So this is the remote. This is the sleep mode. If I press the sleep mode, it turns off the light, but it's still working. And then turn it on, and then the timer. Yeah, you can set the timer if you want, but I don't want to. I just keep it on. And then this is the purification mode. So if they're the purification mode, it says control photocatalyst purification on both sides. So this is the sides. They suck the air from these sides. See that? Both sides. See? Our bigger one, it sucks the air from the top. So, but this is little, so it's on the sides. And then the last one is just defrost. And this one is a defrost mode. So it turns red. So I don't know what does it mean, but it says defrost mode. The ambient temperature is lower than 15 degrees, and the defrosting mode is turned on to achieve winter dehumidification without freezing. So that's it. See. Oh, and it's very quiet also compared to our big one. It's loud. You can hear the noise. So this is really good in the room. That's the little ones. So this is for the 2 rooms. Yeah, it's the same color. Yeah, so we're just gonna turn this on, and so the LED light, that means that's on, and you can barely hear the sounds too, and that's cute. That means it's working. So yeah, that's it. And then turn it off. So if the water dispenser is full, it will gonna automatically stop. I hope you like my videos for today. If you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like buttons if you like my videos. Click the notification bell if you want to get updated every time I put another videos. So bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.